guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will create a new float system in Python, kinda. Okay, so first let me create a class named float. Okay, so let's create the initializer. Okay, let's call this as self number is equal to number, and don't forget to add self number and then the base, self base equal to base, like this. Okay, so let's save this as micro number. Okay, call this as a micro number Python, like this. Okay, so we need to create the string version and the representation. So the string is returns string of self number. Yeah, this is self-expression, so number is none and base is none. So if number is none, then this, and if base is none, then this. But if not known, then self expression, the string expression, and then strip the zeros because we don't want zero here. So then self expression is equal to, we don't have expression here. So let's say that self number, get the expressions, zero. Okay. So self number is equal to expression, but remove the dot, so replace dot with this, kinda. This is just a blank string, where the length of the string is 0 in the list form. So finish called expression base, and self base is equal to expression split this and the one expression, and this is in the integer form, and this is in the integer form. This is self number, and don't forget to wait, let me check. Okay, so this is of the lens. This minus the base, just a self base, and plus this guy plus self number. This is strings to this, remove this, dot plus what is this plus self plus string of this self number. Wait, what? Oh no. Okay. From this is the reverse base. So let me check this out. Check float. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait. Okay. Do this and change it to repair. Okay. Wait. Float 1.2. This is 16. Where 16? What's wrong with this? I'm sorry, this is not known. What is? My God, I hate that. Float from float 1.2. What? Okay, let me check. This is float base 2. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. This is LAN. This is LAN. Wait a second. Okay, cool. But not here. Why is it? So what's wrong with this? Base. Check for the base. Yes, this is right, but I think this is where this is wrong. Wait a second. What? No. I don't want to be like this. To be like this. Okay, so the base is 30, so showing this 2 plus so this not a self base, but this guy here. Okay, I don't care. Why? So it is correct like that. Place this with this. Okay, so guys, this is the first part. So if you want to check another part, you can see on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. I hope I see you again. Goodbye.